acting like you don't know nobody. Nobody count on your nobody. I'll be the first one to hit you, nobody.
You know that that's on me. Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with ya. Love me and you own that. That's why I'm so impressed with ya, blessed with ya. If you haven't noticed, I am at my best with ya, yeah. Yeah, they know you're my heart. Yeah, they know I'm about you. I hate when we're apart, 'cause I love me, you.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I know my schedule has been a little bit weird with my videos these last 2 weeks. It has really been a lot going on, as you all know, and I think it's just taking a really weird, it's having a really weird impact on me, because it's not one that I can explain. It's not all bad, but it's not all good. So it's kind of like just really, it's a weird time right now. So like mentally, my head is like doing a bunch of stuff. But anyways, welcome back either way. So if you all, as you all can see, I still have in my DIY passion braids that I did. If you have not already seen that video, I'll be sure to post a link up here somewhere, one of these sides. And yeah, so this is going on about 3.5-4 weeks. Three and a half weeks. Originally I was gonna take these out, wash my hair, put in some more, but right now I'm kind of thinking, and the only reason I wanted to do it so fast because I have a nail appointment on the 27th. I don't want to do my hair with my nails in. I really don't. I don't like doing that, but I don't know, y'all. So right now I think what we're gonna do today is just go ahead and wash my hair with the braids in. If anything, they're gonna stay in about another few days, but I really want to wash my hair. And I also want to show you guys how I wash my hair. I am still, you know, team natural, of course. I wanted to show my hair care routine for protective styles. So I'm going to wash my hair and show you what I do, the products I'm going to use, and how I go about getting it clean while it is in this protective style, with all those oils and moisturizers and all of the stuff that we put on our hair to keep it healthy while it's in the braids. We also have to make sure that we are washing our hair to make sure we are getting all of that excess product out to keep it clean. So also, for a quick reminder, my last video I did last week was a video about some of the brands that I noticed during this weird time that I'm speaking of, with everything going on, that have just not been very smart. That's what I'm gonna say. Basically, they got black people messed up. So I will put a link up here as well for you to go watch that video on some of the brands that I gathered that we will be canceling, period. We will no longer be shopping there, giving them our money, because they don't support us or the movement. So just a reminder, that was a nice little PSA, Black Lives Matter. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Back. So I just finished washing my hair with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil Shampoo and Conditioner, which I also just recently found out is not black owned anymore as it was. So I'll probably, actually not probably, I am going to be retiring Shea Moisture, because yeah, I need some good black owned hair products, natural hair products. So anywho, yeah, that's what I used this time because I still have it and it was not cheap. So I'm gonna make sure I use all of it, okay? Because I don't like to waste money. So yeah, now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with my Tropical Isle Living Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner and well, conditioning mist, and I'm just gonna run it through, spray it all over my hair, massage it in there, and then I'm going to go in with my Tropical Isle Living Jamaican Castor Oil Hair Growth Oil, and it has almond, avocado, and jojoba oils, and it's basically just to help your hair be healthy, strengthen it up, help it grow faster or whatever. This is my probably 4th week of using it, as well as my vitamins, all of that. So I don't really know. I think it's been working, but I can't really say for sure until I actually, you know, go in and take the hair out and see the results. Yeah, but that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get into it. Never want your hair like the way I used to wash it when I was younger. I didn't know no better, but you don't want to drench your hair in water because it takes a long time to dry, and we all know ain't nobody sitting around for 2 days to let our hair completely dry. Well, for me personally, my hair sometimes takes a long time to dry, but when it's like this with water, it will take 2 days for it's completely dry. And I don't have a sit under dryer, so basically I do this to keep it from soaking my hair completely and just cleaning the part that really needs to be clean, which is my scalp, instead of wasting shampoo on all of that. All of this I clean later, but I don't do it all because I don't do it all at once because I don't want my hair to be drenched, and you know that can cause that moldy smell and cause your hair to mold under the braids, and that's nasty, and that is not helping our growth, sis. Okay, period. So now I'm gonna go in with the oil, lock it in there. So I like to do my oils last to make sure my hair is locking in any moisture that I put in it, because that's just what works best for my hair. Everybody is different. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in. I need to stop being so rough because my hair is stuck. But yeah, I'm just going in and massaging it in my head. Massage it all up in there. And yeah, get up in the back. Don't forget that. And then of course I got a big forehead, y'all, for real. Then last but not least, I'm going to put a little bit of 100% virgin coconut oil on top of that to really seal everything in. And this is also Shea Moisture. Y'all, I was spending all my money on my Shea Moisture products. You see it? Y'all know. Y'all get the gist. And you can use this on your body as well, which I do use. Shout out, make sure once this is up, I gotta buy from my friend Chelsea. She sells 100% virgin shea butter, and yeah, she sells scrubs and all of that good stuff. So that's what I'll be using next. But like I said, I had already bought this, but I will not be using this anymore. More times than not, it's better to apply product to your hair when your hair is still damp, because water activates any product to work better, especially on our hair because it's usually very thick, and you know there's a lot going on up there. So that's just, I know that's what works well for me personally. So yeah, I always like to apply my products while my hair is still dry. And then of course, like every day I moisturize my hair and it's in braids, but when I freshly washed it, I like to apply my products while my hair is still damp. So now I'm going to go and turn on my dryer a little bit. I don't have my center dryer, so it's going to be my little dryer like this, my little handheld dryer, and just dry up here where it's wet, dry it, air dry for a little bit, and then I'll be back and show you guys how I refresh it and make it look brand new. So my hair is dry. I went and blow dried it. Like I said, it was only about here that was wet, and then down here was a little bit damp, but down here we good. So I just went in and dried it, and now I'm going to show you how I refresh it. I put a little bit of, you know, that heat after applying the oils and stuff is really helping it like penetrate into my scalp or whatever. So yeah, now I'm going to apply this lotion over top of where my hair is. Like, I'm gonna leave out, but I'm gonna go down there. Just on top of my actual hair. Keep it moist, because I just applied that heat. And then I'm going to go on and do my edges. And make sure we get around here. I love that stuff so much. It smells so good, y'all. I really OD'd. Like, I got mad Shea moisture stuff for real. Y'all thought I was joking. I got a whole kit over here, so I gotta use that first, baby, because I did not spend all that money to just be throwing it away. We don't do that. So I got my gel, my black Castor and Flaxseed oil gel, EcoStyle gel. And what I'm going to do is just take a little bit and twist. My edges right here where the hair is coming out. And I'm gonna put my jam don't do nothing for me, y'all. My hair is curly and she curl up as soon as any type of wet substance is applied. Even this, but the thing with gel is it's not greasy. So I can do this and then wrap it and she good to go. I'm gonna take my toothbrush and go in and do that down